Hello, it's a Saturday, it's about 2:10 in the afternoon and I've got a gig this evening. I'm going to be leaving here, which is my boyfriend's house, in about half an hour, so I've got to pack up my stuff, then I'm heading on the train to my dad's. I'm hooking up with my dad and then we're travelling to the gig together because today I'm just depping with my dad's band because they were a man down and they needed some help, so that's what I'm going to do. Right, time to pack my stuff up. Laptop, mouse, paper diary, iPad because my electronic diary's in there. I have two because it's just a nightmare if you lose one or the electric one crashes. This probably has enough charge. Charge I need in there. My boyfriend's just come rushing in from the shower. He says it's cold, so he's hiding under the duvet because he's realised I'm filming. Haven't you, dear? One more thing, float and cleaner, because I'm always forgetting that. It's Cats for Views again. Hey, you. What are you after? Oh, playing it cool, huh? I really need a new rucksack. I can just about fit in my laptop, my flute and both my diaries and various other bits and bobs like, you know, emergency paracetamols and tissues and pencil case and stuff. And barely fitted in, it's such a squeeze. So I really think the time has come to get myself a bigger rucksack with a laptop compartment. Yes, that's right. Anyway, I need to stop messing around with this cat now because it's time to go. Oh, it's a chilly old day, all right. So I'm waiting on the platform for the train and I'm rather hoping to get some admin-y bits and bobs done on my phone, hopefully. Hey, speaking of phones, my boyfriend has upgraded his phone and he's given me his old former iPhone 6. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. It's the most modern tech I've ever had. Ah, it's so fast compared to my iPhone 4 that I've had, which I bought second-hand off Amazon ages ago. God, blimey, I don't know myself. Everything's just fast. It's great. Come on, train. So I'm on the train, cracking on, making some progress. Finished now. Sneaky snack.
Might have a drink if we go in school tomorrow. He was alright with me, yeah? I can't help but find a dog to keep, like, or she has to keep standing like.
A bit early for the next train, got about 20 minutes I think, so I might go for a little bit of a wander to pass the time. Some kind of dance performance going on in the station. Izzy would like that. In the meantime, I'm going to grab myself a bit of grub from Marks and Spencer's while I've got time. Good. What's that got? Time to get back up to the platform. The sat-nav is telling Dad off and telling him to do a U-turn. I think we've gone astray. I think we're back on track now. We're steaming all the windows up in here. It's a pretty early finish tonight. We're only doing from 7 till 9, so that's really early for us. This is going to be one of those match day gigs. There's been a match today between Wales and Ireland, and apparently Ireland won, so we're not sure what the mood's going to be like in the pub, but basically the landlord wants us to keep people in the pub after the match is finished. That's the goal.
6 minutes.
6 minutes to go, apparently. Setting up PA at the moment. There's another match on at the moment too. Sound check in a minute, I think, at some point. Not quite sure how we're going to fit that in around the map. Waiting. Oh, you want to talk to the camera?
No, not particularly, no.
Oh, charming. I don't know whether to be worried that we've been put in front of the dartboard. I'm just telling Jim here about my YouTube channel. We're just having a break. Jim's been singing tonight and playing Bowron. I better show you what that is in case you don't know. Hang on. That is a Bowron. It's an Irish drum. You hit it with like a double-ended stick. like that. And like there's an inside bit, you put your hand in there and you move it up and down to change the pitch of the drum while you're doing the rhythm on the other side. This is Phil, he's been singing and playing this bouzouki.
Bazooka, yeah.
Which doesn't look like any bazooka I've ever seen. I'll just show that to you as well. So on first inspection, you know, it might look like a guitar, but as you can see there are 8 strings on it. And these are, I think they're in unison or no, octaves. These are unison, these ones. So it's like a bouzouki tuning, but guitar body. So we're just getting ready to do our second set. As you can hear, it's livened up somewhat in the pub here. And I'm going to go and have a wee. Before we start up again. All finished. I don't know about anyone else, but I know I've worked up an appetite. I'm looking forward to scoffing a sandwich my dad made for me earlier. Got it in my bag, squirreled. So we're pretty much packed up now. We're just going to take it all back and forth to the car till it's all loaded. And I'm not going to film it because I need both hands. Bit dark out here, isn't it? Right, we're just heading out to the car park now. You can't see me, but you can hear me. I'm here. We just had to thaw Jim out because he froze solid standing around chatting. But he's moving again now. There he is. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Come back to life again.
Yeah.
In the car now. I've just been enjoying my dad's sandwich he made for me. Very nice. Oh, I've gone. I'm here. I'm still here. I'll see you back at the flat. Shoes off. Kettle on. Heating's on, thank goodness. It's a chilly old night out there. Anyway, I'm going to end the vlog there. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a like if you liked it, because it really helps the channel to grow. Comment down your thoughts below and hit the subscribe button if you want to follow more of our adventures. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Oh, every time I put the camera on this cat, it quickly turns around and has a lick.